So we've successfully risen the grain on this particular board right here. It's all the way sanded down to our finishing grit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of a route detail to the four sides of this board, both on the top side and on the bottom side. And the packet calls for an 1/8 of an inch 45-degree route. So we have a 45-degree router bit in here, and if we take a look at the detail, it happens to have 1/8 of an inch of router bit exposed above the table, so we're in great shape. When we route with our handheld router, we're going to go in a counterclockwise pattern. On this particular project right here, we're going to focus on doing it like this, one side at a time. Run it down. Then we'll move our project and we would run it down. So we're just going to continue to go in this motion rather than try to go around and catch it like that. So we're just going to go nice and smooth. Remember that on your end grains like this right here, especially at the very end, we don't want to go super slow where we burn, but we don't want to go so fast where it chips it out. And we have a not so easy chance of chipping it out just because we are using such a small little detail. One final thing I want to show you guys is normally we work on top of these tablecloths just to save the table a little bit. But for this here, I don't want this thing moving, so I have a sanding mat down, and we can tell this board is nice and secure. It's not going to move around on us. So I got my safety glasses on. Get down to the table height here. We always start with the router off of the board, and then we come down into it and go forward. We're going to look right down through our window right here. All the way out, turn it. Turn it once more. Final time. Now if we take a look, when I was coming down this corner here, I kind of went a little bit slow at the end. And we wound up getting just a small amount of burn right there. We want to try to limit the amount of that because we can't really sand too much on this detail right here without really messing it up. But can you see the detail of that route in the frame right there for us? You see that nice 45 degree that we put in? And we'll do this to this side down here as well. You like to try?
You got enough on?
Yep.
We good for the video?
You guys get cleaned up. Let him do this real quick. Make sure our score's on the way. Much nicer. Now, always set the router upside down. Very good. That looks good. Feels good. Got to go over light sanding on it. We'll be in great shape.